The average weight of students in a class increases by 600 grams when some new students join the class. If the average weight of the new students is 3 kgs more than the average weight of the original students, then the ratio of the number of original students to the number of new students is. Now we can solve this question by a simple table. Now we know that the formula for average is equal to total upon quantity. So therefore we can have the formula as average into quantity is equal to total. Now we don't know the exact quantity. So let's assume that the original quantity was A and let their average be X. So therefore the total weight of the original students would be AX. Now the average weight of the students in a class increases by 600 grams when some new students join the class. If the average weight of the new students is 3 kgs more than the average weight of the original students. Now we have assumed the average weight of the original students is X. So the average weight of the new students will be X plus 3. Now again we don't know the quantity, so let's assume it as B. So therefore the total weight of the new students will be Bx plus 3B. Now we are combining these two groups of students. So always remember the quantity column and the total column can be added or subtracted. In this case, we are combining the two groups, so it will be added. So the quantity in the combined group will be A plus B, and the quantity in of the total will be AX plus BX plus 3B. We are adding the column of total. Now it is given that when the two groups of students combine, the average increases by 600 grams. Now we are comparing this with the original average again. So therefore the average of the new group is X plus zero point 0.6. Now you have to be very careful with the units. Here we have assumed 3 kgs and we have put in as X plus 3. And here it is 600 grams. So 600 grams is nothing but 0.6 kg. And therefore we have written it as X plus 0.6. So this becomes our equation. We can solve this. So X into A plus B. So that gives us AX plus BX plus 0.6A plus 0.6B is equal to AX plus BX plus 3B. Okay. So AX, BX gets cancelled out. 0.6A plus 0.6B is equal to 3B. So 0.6B, if we can bring on the right hand side, it will become 0.6A is equal to 2.4B. Now we want the ratio of the number of original students to the number of new students. That means we want the ratio of A by B. So therefore it will become 2.4 upon 0.6, which we can reduce to 4:1. And therefore the answer will be option B.